Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your rear door panel on your Honda Passport. We are going to start off by removing this cover behind the interior door handle. Just use a small flathead screwdriver and we're going to push down on this little pin on the top and pop that out. And then behind there is two Phillips screws, and just use a Phillips screwdriver to remove both of those. And next we're going to remove this other cover, and again we're going to use our flathead screwdriver to pop the cover off, and then underneath there is one Phillips screw that needs to come out. Next you're going to grab a hold of the edge of the door panel, the part that's closest to the vehicle, and you're just going to pull out on it, and that pops the bottom of the door panel loose. And you just want to make sure the sides are all popped loose also. And then once it is, all it's doing is just hanging on the edge by the window. So we're just going to pick up on the door panel and it comes right off the door. And then go in behind the door panel, and the interior door handle is still attached. So we just need to pull out on that and kind of feed it back out of the door panel to release it. And then we also need to unplug these wires, and you just do that by pushing on the tab on the plug and pulling out. And if it's hard to get your finger on it, you can use a small screwdriver to push down on the tab to pull these plugs off. And then we just need to unhook these clips by sliding them out. And this one is clipped in. You can just use a screwdriver or kind of just twist it and wiggle it around, and it will typically just pop out. And then we have this last plug to unplug. Same, just push the tab and pull out and remove this clip. And that's it guys, the door panel's off. Thanks for watching.